Hello guys, welcome to my channel. Today we are going to see how to fix Explorer.exe System Call Failed in Windows 11, 10, 8 and 7. Let's fix it guys. Just need right click on the taskbar and select Task Manager. Scroll down to the bottom and you can able to see Windows Explorer. Just right click on the Windows Explorer and select Restart. After restarting it, just close stuff here and check if the problem is solved or not. If not, method to go to search menu and type cmd. Right click on the command prompt and select run as administrator and select yes. Check my video description for these commands. Just copy and paste it one by one. Just need to wait for this verification to complete 100%. After getting both commands completed, just close tab here and restart your PC. After restarting, your problem should be fixed. Don't forget to leave a like guys. Thank you.